Sine and cosine law. So we'll use sine and cosine law to solve triangles. Question here is, solve the given triangle. We are given a triangle with two sides and included angle. So whenever you are given two sides and included angle, which law can be applied? Or I should say, which law should be applied first? So the case is side, angle, side, included angle, right? In that case, we need to apply cosine law first. Reason is that to apply sine law, we need a known set of opposite side and angle, which we don't have here, right? We know the angle, but side opposite to that given angle is unknown, and therefore we cannot use sine law. So let us use cosine law and first find out the side, and let me call this side as x. So x using cosine law will be equals to, we can say x square is equals to 8 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 8 times 10 times cosine of 100. Right, now we can use calculator to figure this out. So it is 8 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 8 times 10 times cos of 100. That gives us 191.78. Now that is x squared. So x is equal to square root of 191.78, and that is equal to 13.848. So we'll write 13.85. Well, I could have rounded it to 14 also. Since we have these dimensions as whole numbers, 8, 10, so it may be a good idea to round to 14. In any case, so what we get here is that x is 13.85. Now, let us find the other angles. To find the other angle, we need to use sine law. Since we know one set of opposite side and angle, we can now use sine law, right? So we'll use sine law to find one of the angles. So let us say the angle which we want to find is alpha. So we say sine alpha over side opposite to it, which is 8, is equal to sine of given angle 100 divided by the side which we found, which was 13.848. So let me use 848. It makes huge difference. Normally you should use 4 decimal places. Well, it was 84859, so I'll use 846. Okay. So this will give us slightly better results. Now, sine alpha is equals to, we'll cross multiply. So that means 8 times this, right? So it is 8 divided by 13.8486 times sine of 100 degrees, right? So that gives us 8 divided by 13.8486 times sine of 100, 0.56889. So alpha, the angle, is equals to sine inverse of this, 0.56889, which is equal to, so we'll do second function, sine inverse of our answer. That gives us 34.67. Right? So let us round this angle to 34.7, let us say, right? So let's say alpha is 34.7. Now once we know alpha, we can find the other angle. Let's say other angle is beta. So you may apply sine law, which is going to take some time, or you can use properties of triangle. So we say beta is equals to 180 degrees, because sum of three angles is 180, minus 100, and minus what we found, 34.7. So that gives us 180 minus 100 minus 34.7. So it is 45.3 degrees. So like this we can solve for the angles and the unknown side, right? So we get alpha as equal to 34.7, beta, the other angle, which is opposite 10, is 45.3, and the unknown side x is equals to 13.85, right? So we can write down our answer. The answer is the unknown side x is equals to 13.85, angle alpha is equals to 34.7 degrees, and angle beta is equals to 45.3 degrees, right? So that is how you have to solve the triangle. So you'll see that the law is actually applied twice. Now in this case, since it was side angle side, we applied the cosine law first and then the sine law. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.